So now let's move on to how we can help our hearing impaired students. This also benefits any student who needs to use audio while they're performing or while they're composing. So with it being a notation software, obviously we have the playback button. So if I wanted to hear what this sounds like so far as I'm composing, I can easily just hit play and I can make an informed decision about what notes should come next in this example. So C, G, C. Maybe the right notes I should do are C, C, G, G, C. I can then click on my note, hit play, and assess if I like the way it sounds. It's a very common use of the playback option, but we have also the ability to sync up audio. If you were to choose a recording either on YouTube or an uploaded MP3, you can create lessons like this, where here, this is designed for a guitar class who is learning to improvise. You have your minor blues, you have your mixolydian. Once I hit play here and turn on the recording, I can hit play. And after a short lead-in, my students can play along with a guitar track and try to improvise. This is very easily done by finding your favorite YouTube video, going into this option, manage your recording, and when you open this up, you have the ability to leave dots along the play line where you would like the video to sync. Additionally, another great tool for students who have hearing issues or need to be able to listen back to their music is found when you use a performance assessment. Obviously, performance assessments are a great way to assess your student's ability to perform a song, but it's also a great chance for them to hear themselves before they submit. I'm going to click on Student Preview here so you can see it from the student side, and as it loads, I can show you that when I start my assignment, I get to select Start Recording, and you'll see the other version of me. I'll put on my backing track. I'll select my instrument first, then turn on my backing track. And I want the speed to be normal. As you saw, it creates the music for me. And when I hit start recording, I can record along with the backing track. When your students are done with their recordings, they can even hit play right here and listen to the recordings they made. They can see in the music where they were, they can hear what notes they were playing, and then when they're done, they hit save, and they can turn it in, or even just leave a comment. Recorded on Friday. Needs work. This allows your students to listen, give themselves feedback, and especially for those with hearing issues, hearing loss, they can take their computer, go into another room, and still practice and hear themselves better.